Hi, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this makeup look, which revolves around using the Reddish Fetish lipstick and the Scarlet Red lip liner. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first eyeshadow that I actually used was in the shade called Champagne, and I applied that all over the eyelids, working from the outer corners of the eyes in. And then I used a tiny little bit of the eyeshadow in the shade called Chocolate Martini, and I blended that into the crease in the outer corners. This is a very rich color, so I did about 3 dabs of color onto my brush. I probably could have used less. If you do end up applying too much eyeshadow, my suggestion would be to just really blend it out. You can even go over the darker color with a lighter color. I could have gone over it with porcelain to soften it a bit, which I might do after this, but yeah, I don't think it turned out horrible. And I actually really do like these two colors together. I would just recommend it with maybe more of a nude lip instead of a red lip. Anyway, to finish off the eyes, I applied the Lash Project mascara, and I did about 4 coats of this on the top and then 1 coat on the bottom. And then, because I did realize that the eyes were a little bit more dramatic than I was hoping, for the lip, what I did is I took the lip liner in the shade called Scarlet Red, and I used that to define my lips. And then instead of filling them in, I went in, well, I did fill in the bottom lip a little bit with the lip liner, but overall what I did is I went in with a lip brush and I drug the color down in downward strokes to kind of soften the color a little bit so it just wasn't so bright and in your face. And then after that, I took the Reddish Fetish lipstick and I just dabbed a little bit of that on. So again, with a bolder eye, you don't really want the lips to stand out too much. You kind of want it to blend, so my idea was to just try to not apply as much. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it and giving it a thumbs up, and until next time, I hope that you take care and have a great holiday. Bye!